Hey guys, 146. Just got this in. 16 Nissan Titan. Pearl white. SL leather. With the Cummings. Very nice. Just got it in. Still got to send it to Recon. Just wanted to get it on the internet. First one we've had here. The 16 with 55,000 miles on it. Fat tires, big doors, nice truck. I'm surprised how they run. It's got the baby Cummins in it. Good nav, good backup. It's a 16. Truck's got 55,000 miles on it. It's $39,985. I just got it in. Joe from Route 146 Auto Sales, 1097 80 Dowling Highway, North Smithfield, Rhode Island. Thank you.